In this short video, I'll show you how to recover a banned Telegram account quickly and effectively. If you've suddenly been logged out and see a message saying your phone number is banned, don't worry, there are steps you can take to appeal and regain access. It can be frustrating to lose access to your chats, contacts, and groups, especially if you rely on Telegram for personal or business communication. Those who successfully recover their accounts can continue using Telegram without having to create a new number or lose important data, and I'll show you how to get back yours. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. If this is your first time watching our videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. Now, let's get started on how to recover a banned Telegram account. The first method is by contacting Telegram support. To start, open the Telegram app on your phone and try to log in. If you see that this phone number is banned message, tap on the Help option. This will open your default email app with an auto-generated message, including your Telegram phone number. If needed, you can add a short message explaining that you believe the ban was a mistake and politely request a review. Once you're satisfied with your message, tap Send to submit your appeal. Check your sent folder to confirm that the email has been sent. Telegram typically takes a few days to a week to respond, so be patient and keep an eye on your inbox for their reply. If you don't receive a response from the in-app appeal after 4 to 7 days, or if the Help button is missing, try this alternative method. Open your web browser and search for the Telegram support form or go directly to Telegram's official support page. In the first box, briefly explain your issue, mentioning your banned phone number and requesting account recovery. Keep your message clear and polite. Next, enter your email address and phone number with the country code, then tap Submit. You should receive a confirmation message stating that your appeal has been received. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips. Now, let's continue with important tips when appealing. Once you've submitted your appeal, avoid sending multiple requests from different devices, as this may delay Telegram's response. Be patient, replies typically take a few days to a week. Also, ensure that your appeal message is clear, polite, and concise to increase the chances of a positive response. To explore more Telegram video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.